devs, welcome to another chapter in CSS for beginners. In this chapter we are going to look at CSS text and fonts. We are going to look at CSS text and fonts, how to style CSS text. So let's head into our style sheet. So let's select, let's use the appropriate, should be a paragraph, sorry about my laziness. It should be a paragraph. You save, you refresh. So you select your P, right? So with CSS text you can change the color. So you can change the color like using a predefined color name. So you can use red or any color that you want. Yes, aside the color too, you can align it to the left, right, or center. So let's use text alignment. Text alignment. So you can use, it's already at the left, so let's try center. Let's save and refresh. See, it's at the center. So we can also use right. Save and refresh, and then it comes to the right. And what you can do is text decoration, that's underlining it. Yes, underlining it. So you can say text decoration. So we have a whole lot of text decoration that you can use. You can use underline. So let's try underline. Let's save, refresh. So you can see it has been underlined. Yes, aside underline, we can use overline, line through. Yes, overline and line through. Let's use overline. See what will happen. See, the line is on top of it. Yes, and then we have line through. You see, refresh. That's like striking through it. So we've tackled the align, that's left, right, center. Text decoration. So you can if a text already has a decoration, you can remove it by using the none. You save it, you refresh, and it goes away. For instance, most links. So let's just define a link and see something. Anchor tag, say demo 2 plus s. Let's refresh it. So you have a link, it's underlined. So with this link you can remove the underline. So you can say select it and say text decoration to be none, and save it. Let's refresh and see. So you see that underline is gone. So that's about the text decoration. Next we can see text transformation. Transformation. So you can transform your text to be uppercase, lowercase. See, uppercase, lowercase, capitalized. So let's see our paragraph. Let's use uppercase. Let's save. Let's refresh. You see, it turns to uppercase. So you can change it to lowercase, capitalized. Let's use capitalize and see. See, it's going to capitalize every letter. So this is about the text transformation. And we have the text indent. So let's make it right so that we see left, so that we see the text indent very well. So the text indent, we use value, let's say 20 pixels. See, there's a space beside it. So there's a space beside the letter here. So that's what the text indent. So you can make it huge, and you see that it will shift to the other. So in case you have a lot of paragraphs, let's say this long paragraph, for instance, you refresh, you see how the indent is like. So it's something like a paragraph, you writing a letter, how a letter is, you indent it. So that's what it does. And then you can also give it a line height. That's each line, the height it should take. So you can say line height, let's say you want 20 pixels. I'm using huge values because you see the 20 pixels. I think it's not that clear. Let's use 50 and see. You see here, you see the difference. You see how it is. That's each line is having a height of what? 50 pixels. That's the line height. Each line is having a height of 50 pixels. And we have word spacing. Word spacing. Word spacing. That's what each word, the spaces you want around it. So you save and refresh, and then you are going to see something like, so you see there is a space around each word, in between each word, 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels. So they align. If you want to shift a text to the left, right, or center, use the text align property. If you want to underline, strike through it, overline, use the text decoration. If you don't want it, you just use none for the value for that property. That's text decoration. And then text transformation, we have lowercase, uppercase, capitalize. And then text indentation is how if you want to indent a paragraph, you use that one. You give it a value that's 50 pixel, any value you want, and then a line height, word spacing. Now let's take a look at CSS font family. The font family. So see right now, CSS font family property defines the font family. That's the boldness, size, and the text. So first we are going to look at the font family. So font family, CSS font family. So font family, we have serif and sans serif. So these by default they are serif. So I save and let me refresh. You see, serif, they are this text with these things. You see these serif things are here. Yes, you are very good. So the T right now, you can see this one. If I make a sans serif right now, you are not going to see it. So sans serif, let me save and refresh. Okay, you see this text here. Yes, so you are not seeing that one. If I apply the same font family to the center, let me start the H1. Say font family, sans serif. Let me save it and refresh. Okay, so you see right now you are not seeing that curved something beside it. Yes, those curved are the serif. So if you use sans serif, that means you are doing away with that. Yeah, basically this is about font family. And we have a whole lot of, we have the Times New Roman, we have the Arial, we have the Verdana, and a whole lot. So you can just specify them and you are good to go. So if you have font family cursive, see by suggesting some to us. So you see how it is. It has changed the typeface of it. We have Verdana. I don't know whether the spelling is right. Yes, this is Verdana. Yes. So you have different. You can visit W3 schools and see, or you can research them, browse them. There are a whole lot of font families around here. You have a few. And next we are going to look at the font style. The font style. Let's see font style. Okay, let me apply that to the heading. So that's what font style. So font style, see we have italic. Control plus refresh. See, italic. We have the normal and oblique. Oblique and italic. Oblique and italic, they are slight difference. See, italic slants deep, but oblique is just a little slant. That's the difference. The oblique is just a little slant, but the italic slants deep. That's the difference between the italic and the oblique. And then you can specify the font weight of it. The font weight, that's it. How bold you want it to be. So use font weight. So you can say it ranges from 0 to 900. 0 to 900. So you can give it, they have bold, you save it. Okay, it is already bold. So let me apply it to the paragraph so that we have let me save and refresh. See how bold they are. So we can make them bolder. save, refresh. You see, yeah, so bold, bolder, normal, or you can use the what, the range, that is 0 to what, 900. You can use the range and it works perfectly. It works perfectly. So we've taken a look at the text color, we've taken a look at text alignment, that's each value has left, center and right. Text decoration too, we've taken a look at, that's the underline, overline, line through, and then what, the none. And we've also taken a look at text indent, letter spacing, line height, word spacing. We've also taken a look at the font family, serif, sans serif, the Verdana, and also taking a look at the font style, normal, oblique, and the italic. Font weight as well, bold, bolder, smaller, or you can use the numbers to determine whether you want between 0 to 900. Let me use it and see. So you can use 500. You see, refresh, you see it will reduce. So it depends on what you want to use. Depends. So for instance, here I can say the font weight for the anchor tag, I can give it a font weight of 900. Let me save and show you. You see how bold it has become. Yes. Also, you can what, font size. Yes, I nearly forgot this. Font size. Font size. So you can say font size of, let's say, 5 rem. That's the size you want it to become. So it's going to be huge. See, huge. Yes, 5 rem. So the font size, tell me how what the size you want the text to be, the size you want the text to be. So this is all about CSS text and fonts. Yes, CSS text and fonts.